Honorable Chairman, INEC in absentia. The Deputy Governor-elect, Edo State, Governor of Edo State, Commissioner supervising, and we have the Honorable National Commissioner, Professor. We also have Olumek MNI, most welcome, sir. So, Sani Kala, National Commissioner, Malam Mohammed, and also in our midst is the Honorable Kule Ajayi, and we have the Honorable Secretary.
See. Honorable Professors.
On behalf of the National Commission, I present to you this certificate.
Okay, Honorable.
Yes, guys, Dominic.
On behalf of the Commission, I present to you this certificate of.
This way. Okay. Smile.
This way, sir. Don't go yet.
Just three of you.
Hey, photo. Hey.
Can we see the photo? Sir, please, can we see the certificate? It's better.
All right, so can you step back forward? Yes, sir. Yes, just pick one here.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. We bring succor to the people of Edo State. God using you as an instrument.
To guide us.
Congrats.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir.
Are we ready? Hey, wait. One question, please. How do you feel about it? Okay, wait. Okay, Excellency, you just been presented with the certificate of return. How happy are you today, sir? I want to expect from you, sir.
Sir, how do you feel about it?
I feel very happy because Edo people have spoken, and now it's time for me to go and do the work for them. That is what they elected me to do, and that is what I'm going to do.
Thank you, sir.